When we come to your house to give you an estimate, we start at the end of your gutter and we roll it out to determine the linear footage of your gutter system so that we can give you an exact estimate. We bring this display unit so that we can show you how our product functions on your house in particular. This product here is made to reinforce sliding tile roofs on a steep pitch. It withstands golf balls if you're on a golf course. You don't have to worry about your gutter protection getting pummeled. And it also is made for heavy oak trees that drop 100-pound branches. This product is extremely reinforced. It slides underneath your tile like so, and we screw it into the front. Our medium version of that does the same thing, maybe with not such a heavy tile roof and smaller oak trees. This particular product is the same as the previous two that I showed you without the framework, as you can see. It's punched into place, so there is no glue lines. It's guaranteed for 40 years. It's stainless steel, marine grade, micron mesh. It'll never rust or corrode. There's 450 holes per square inch. So you don't even have to worry about roof sand getting in there. You can see I have literally the smallest grains of roof sand and you can't even push it through. I often get asked, Mike, I don't really have any trees on my property. Is gutter protection necessary? As you can see with this property, they don't have any trees either. However, the trees that you do see scouring the sky over 40 and 50 feet in the air, those are the neighbor's trees. And so yes, indeed, as I'll show you, these gutters are actually packed full of the neighbor's debris. So as you can see, this property doesn't have any trees on it. All the trees you see are the neighbor's trees surrounding the property. You would imagine they're not affecting your gutters, but unfortunately, as you can see here, there's over 3 inches of debris in this gutter, and the downspout is completely clogged. You can also see premature corrosion of your gutters, which will force you to have to buy new gutters sooner than you'd want to, I'm sure. If you look over here, we have a garden growing, and in just 6 inches, you have this non-bearing fruit garden that is the cause of gutters to overflow, premature corrosion of your gutters, penetration of roof eave work, which is the cause of wet rot. And if it penetrates your house, it can also cause mold inside of 48 hours. And it also is a problem with your foundation. If it makes it down that low, you can literally erode the foundation of your house just from an overflowing gutter. With all the building we have going on, we're encroaching on wildlife more and more. Squirrels love to save their food in our gutters. Pigeons love nesting. They feel safe. Rats and mice too. They all carry disease, and it's something we don't want in our house. Pest Management of America actually endorses our product as a proper protective measure to keep those rodents out of your gutters and eaves. Are you taking unnecessary risks on the ladder? Stretching too far out is the main reason why people fall. Leave it to us, the professionals, to clean your gutters safely and effectively. Making sure it's done right is our main focus and job. Whoa. The other great benefit from putting lifetime gutter protection in your house is that Firemen of America actually mandate gutter protection. Calaveras County, Mill Valley, Oakland and Berkeley, any new builds in Danville, it's actually being suggested to be mandated in the architectural codes in building. So if you have dry debris in your gutter, what happens is any little bit of spark or bottle rocket or fires from neighboring houses, whether it's a control fire or out of control, that little bit of a spark will sit on this debris. It'll burn to the bottom, which is like a tightly woven cigar, and it'll slowly burn to the end. And then when it gets to the end, it's gonna go back up, gathering more oxygen and turning into a real fire. So that's why this is a great fire prevention as well. So fire in your gutter is actually quite a common thing. As you can see, it goes up easily and quickly whenever you let that debris sit in there. Having gutter protection not only prevents the fire from starting, but it also can snuff it out.